Welcome back to Talk of the Town. Where can you find live Latin music, dancing, and great authentic Latin foods all in one place? Well, Eric Esquivel, president and publisher of La Isla magazine, joins us today to tell us the details about this fun-filled festival. Eric, welcome.
Thank you, Sandy,
So
for having me.
October was an amazing festival, and this one should absolutely rival it. So I'm going to let you tell us a little bit about the New River Auto Mall Fiesta de Mayo Festival.
Yeah, New River Auto Mall Fiesta de Mayo Festival, a lot of words, presented by Covert Air. It's just a second part in our 2-year festival series that we do. And it's stemming from our Latin Music Festival that we were so successful with in October. This is going to be more of a dance-oriented type of festival. We're going to have food vendors from all over Latin America and the Caribbean. We're going to have 2 live bands, a reggaeton artist, and then we're going to have a huge 13-piece bachata band playing all the instruments.
Wow, that'll be amazing.
Yeah, huge stage, dance floor, salsa lessons, Zumba lessons, and we're going to have the big feature of it is 2 dance competitions. One that started virtually online and another one that will be an on-the-spot dance competition.
That's going to be a lot of fun. So will you allow, I guess, just the regular people, will regular people be able to be part of that competition?
Yeah, the on-the-spot dance competition is for whoever comes that day and wants to participate. It'll be very casual, informal. We'll just do a tap out. And then the virtual dance competition started about a month ago where people who were dance savvy submitted a Latin style dance to our Facebook page video. It's facebook.com/laislamagazine.com. And they were voted on via popular vote to where we eliminated down to 3 couples doing a Latin style dance. And then they will compete the day of. They'll perform 2 performances to be crowned the 2013 La Isla Dance Champions.
That's so much fun.
Yeah,
that's
very
great.
much so
That's
fun.
great. So it's May 19th, which is Sunday, and it starts at noon, and it goes till
7, but sometimes we go a little longer in our community. So, and the idea is bringing our community together and celebrating culture and diversity.
Absolutely. So, do you still have some space for vendors and sponsors? And why do you think the business community should think about participating in the event?
Yeah, we do still have some space. We did sell out the park last October, where we had, I think we can.
You said almost 6,000 people were there in October.
6,000 people, and we had 72 vendors. That's about the capacity we can fit as far as vendors. We had about 25 food vendors, and the rest were businesses from Jacksonville to Charleston. And it's a good question you ask about why the business community should really be looking at this growing demographic. Latinos are the fastest growing minority in our country. South Carolina and Georgia are the fastest growing emerging states right now in the country, and that growth is happening right here in Beaufort County. And so it's just a great way to build relationships, be visible, because our community, the Latino community, is a very relationship-based community. Right. So the events allow not only our advertisers, but new businesses to really be there in person, building those relationships, letting the community know that they're interested, they care, and also have fun.
Yeah, absolutely. It sounds like it's going to be a blast. So what is the nonprofit organization that you have chosen to help raise the proceeds through this event?
Yeah, every event we do, we always adopt, in a sense, a nonprofit or multiple nonprofit organizations. We are partnering with the Children's Center of Hilton Head and Bluffton, and they'll be there the day of and participating, and the portion of the proceeds will go to both centers to help them with their mission and reaching out to our youth and our community.
Yeah, that's wonderful. So it's May 19th, Sunday, and then do people need tickets, or do they just, I mean, I don't know how that's going to work.
Yeah, $3 to get in. It's very nominal.
And they can just do that right at the door?
They just do that right there. 12 and under are free.
Okay.
And then we'll have a huge kids zone also,
that'll be fun
and
for
a lot
the
of
kids.
other, yeah,
that's
a lot of other things
just a
going
great
on.
arena for the kids. So how do people find out more information?
They can go to our website, laislamagazine.com, or our Facebook page, Facebook.com/laislamagazine, and they can see the videos and everything else. We even have videos up from our last festival there also.
Okay, good. So they know who they're looking at when the competition's on stage.
You got it.
Absolutely. Eric, thank you. Can't wait.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
And we thank you so much for joining us on today's Talk of the Town.